What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mr. Random, and this video is for my fellow Panther brothers and sisters out there. If you own a 1998 to 2002 Crown Victoria, maybe even Mercury Grand Marquis, pretty much any before 2003, I think it was before 2004 Panther car, and you've been wondering how the hell do you get the headrest off of one of these things? It could be a major pain in the ass. There's almost zero information on it online. Don't worry, guys, I'm going to show you how to take this thing off in less than 20 seconds. All you need is a pair of needle nose pliers. We're gonna come over here. We'll start with this one because I already kind of did it on that one. You're gonna lift your headrest up. Boom. There's a tab here. There's a tab there. Start unscrewing the tabs. And you're gonna want to do this from the back. Tabs are undone. That's what this looks like. You're gonna see these black little retainer clips. Don't freak out. I'm gonna show you guys how to take this whole thing off. As you guys can see, I'm trying as hard as I can. It won't come off. What you got to do is look inside here. Check out the holes. There's a metal retaining clip in each side of your headrest, guys. There's a metal retaining clip. All you got to do is move it to the left. You're going to grab some needle nose and you're going to move it to the left. I'm going to show you what that clip looks like. You see it? You see where the needle nose is touching? There's a tiny little piece of metal right there to the right. That tiny little piece of metal. You're going to grab that little piece of metal with your needle nose and you're going to push it to the left. And look at that, just like that. Probably got a better way of showing you guys. That little piece of metal, you're gonna grab it and just literally just push it to the left. It's gonna unlock these retaining clips, you know, and then you can come out here and get your very own custom Mr. Random Reviews headrest. And all you got to do now, keep in mind, this is for, I believe it's 04 and up Crown Victorias. You're gonna slide it back in there. Now it's not gonna go anywhere. Just keep in mind it's not held in place either. I mean, it is pretty sturdy in there. Regardless, I never adjust these things. And you can finally end the mystery of how to open those horrid pre-2004 whatever the hell headrest. Anyways, I hope that helped you guys out. Just another little video for all my people out there. Either way, it's your boy Mr. Random. I will catch you guys on the next Crown Victoria video. Take it easy.